In this video, I'm going to explain how to apply for the UK Startup Visa. This visa is designed for entrepreneurs who want to start a business in the UK for the first time. To apply, you'll first need to have an approved endorsing body. This can be a UK higher education institution or a business organization that is authorized by the Home Office. The endorsing body will assess your business idea to make sure it's innovative, viable, and scalable. Once you've secured an endorsement, you can apply online for the visa. You'll need to provide documents like your passport, proof of your business idea, and financial evidence showing that you can support yourself in the UK. The visa fee is around £363, and you'll also need to pay the immigration health surcharge. After approval, you can stay for up to 2 years and can switch to other visa routes if your business grows. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more UK visa tips and advice.